done, let me show you what they're all about. Got hitch pin holder for moving equipment around. Side entry steps to make getting in the machine easier. And since they're on top of this plate, they don't stick out the side, so you don't catch stuff on them. The headache rack angles forward so that it's in line with the forks. The main frame is built with two 3" by 3" by 3/16 inch thick tubes, and these gussets here hold everything together. So all you have to do is get these gussets square to one of the tubes at the right spacing, and then the other tube just sets in place. You just have to make sure it's the right distance side to side from the other tube, and everything else just kind of falls into place. These are category 2 forks. I believe they're 4,500 pound capacity, but a category 2 fork is 16 inches from the top flange here to the bottom flange here, and that seems to be a standard size for skid steers. These are 42 inches long and 4 inches wide. I would like to get 5" wide forks, but I couldn't find any, so I ended up with 4" forks. I have no idea what the capacity of this carriage is, but for the most part I copied a carriage that has 5" forks on, so this should be more than enough for these 4" forks. I also had a hard time finding specifications for standard skid steer mounting plates, so in with the plans is a PDF of standard skid steer mounting plate dimensions. If you have access to a water jet or CNC plasma or something to cut all the parts, there's tabs in this plate. You can't see them because I ground them flush, but everything involved in the skid steer mounting plate just kind of tabs in and all just lines itself up, and these are cut to fit this profile. So if you stick that in and just kind of line everything up with the other pieces, it all just fits together. All you have to worry about is spacing these and getting them vertical or square off of this tube. All the plans are free and will be linked in the description as soon as I get them done. I should probably say I'm not an engineer. I haven't run these through stress analysis or anything, so if you do build a set of these, do so at your own risk. Thanks for watching.